Are you looking for reliable, affordable movers in Ewa Gentry, Hawaii? We've got you covered with low-cost and professional moving services. We specialize in local and long-distance moves within Ewa Gentry and throughout Hawaii. From residential moving to military relocations and everything in between, we provide high-quality services at affordable rates. Our services include local shifting long-distance hauling, residential and military moving auto transport, specialty, moving, packing, and crating international and overseas relocation, commercial and office, moving furniture, disassembly and reassembly, and more. Even if you're on a tight budget, we offer affordable moving solutions without sacrificing quality. We take extra care with your belongings. Our team wraps furniture, protects fragile items, and ensures everything is transported safely to your new home or office. Why should you choose us? We have years of experience in the moving industry. Our team is dedicated to providing high-end, hassle-free moving services at the best prices. We make sure your move is seamless, from start to finish. Moving costs depend on several factors like distance, the size of your move, and additional services. Here's a general idea of how much you can expect for long-distance moves. These are just estimates. For a personalized, all-inclusive quote, contact us today for a free estimate. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more moving tips. And make sure to contact us today for your free custom moving quote. Let's make your move easy and affordable.